Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about text formatting on Filmora. So, let's start putting a photo and a sample text. You can arrange how you want. Then click on the text and let's write something, for example. Now here, you can resize the text as you want and rotate it also. Then, here you have text fonts. Let's choose one, for example. Here you have size of the text. Here you can change color of the text, or you can also pick up text color from anywhere you want. Here you can change text format to horizontally or vertically. Then you can do bold text and also italic text here. Then you have text alignment to choose, like on the left, or right, or in the middle. Down here, you have text formatting templates. Let's see how they looks. Then, you have letter spacing and also line height. Also you have alignment here. Also you can rotate and scale text from here. On the Compositing tab, you have Blend mode, which changes the color of the text to brighter or darker and so on. Then Opacity. And also you can add a sample background to the text. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.